Welcome back. Today we're going to a place in just outside of Albemarle, North Carolina. It's called Wayside Country Cooking Breakfast, and I understand this place is pretty good. Little hole in the wall on the side of the road. The only thing I know is we're on Highway 1130 near North Carolina 200 North. So y'all come with us. Let's check it out. This is what they have available. They all decorated out for Halloween. Got Big Ugly over here. All right, we just ordered the food, and we're waiting on everything to come out. We both got tea, and I don't know what he ordered, but I ordered eggs, sausage, grits, and toast. So can't wait on this to come out. It ought to be pretty good. So y'all stay tuned. I ain't about to put the camera on, but I think we eat with Charles Manson. He's in here. I'm telling you right now, ain't he? Ain't you, Troy?
I'm not getting involved with this.
I'm telling you right now, Charles Manson's sitting right down at the end of this darn, right down that way, right over there, right over there. Looks just like him, and he's staring at me, so I might not make it out of here alive.
I got a gun, dude.
I believe he wants to kill us. That sucker ain't took his eyes off me. Every time I look over there, he's looking at me. Just like that picture you seen, Charlie on the surf. Alright, so we looking for butter. And can't find it nowhere. Guess what? It's in that container right there. It's squirt butter. Wow.
Oh my God.
It's pretty decent too. The Carnage. I think I left one piece of toast. Just couldn't do it.
It's good. Oh my. I can eat all this.
You what?
I can't eat no more. I'm full. I'm going to be in costume all day.
It was a lot of food. It really was a lot of food, and it's good. And service is great. Cannot complain. It was home cooking to the max. So I might have to give him a 10. What say you, Troy?
Give him 11.
11. He gonna give him 11. Anyway, it was good. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.